YouTube channel. As you can see, you can't see me because I don't know. I think my battery is dead. Anyway,
Because you screwed up.
Vinny Cause and Eddie here, two Uber drivers fighting their way out of ride sharing. Love the title. Through Wall Street. All right, we learn how to trade, and my strategy always goes where the green line crosses over the orange line, and I make some money. At least paper trading right now before we actually go live with real money. Vinny Cos here, uh, he uses his own strategy, but we have a little competition going. Is we both start with $1,000 accounts and see who makes it to 2,000, doubling it up.
As you can see, as you can see, I am sitting at $1,055 going into today. And I'm going to be honest with you, I might just be winging it today a little bit. I really, I did a little bit of setting up last night when we got done with the Rideshare Garage stream and we were sitting there having a good time with it. But I really haven't looked at anything too much yet. Looks like I'm going to trade on this computer, so I'll keep my charts over here, which is something I rarely do. But I'm going to have, Eddie, I'm going to have to set up this setup. But the thing is, though, I don't want to put any streaming software on it. But I don't think we'll need the streaming software because we've got that. We've got. I like to keep them separate. But
Yep,
when we
keep
go
it
live
separate.
trading, when we go live trading, I might have to. I don't know. Some of my trades you guys might not be able to see. I don't know how the fills are going to be. Anyway. We got anybody in the chats this morning? Anybody in the chats this morning? Mr.
Oh,
Carlos.
happy Thursday, Carlos. Yes, happy Thursdays. By the way, Mr. Carlos, I mean, I haven't been driving for a full day, and maybe today, and maybe for a couple of days, I'm not gonna be driving and making that money out there.
He's having a
Car
little
has,
problem with his. Yeah, having a little problem with
yep,
the car.
having a little problem with the car. Car has it duped on me, just shut off, and it won't start. I do not know why, and it's not the battery. But I have a nice little contingency, a just in case. But here we are, the reason why I want to day trade and learn this in case something like this happened then. But the car breaking down is happening a little sooner than expected.
You know what? Today might be a day to swing for the
Oh
fences.
yeah. Oh, the streets will always be there. Streets will always be there, Carlos, man. But whoo, they man, it sucks. It
You know
sucks
what?
because you know what do you
You
do?
you know how jacked up that is though, and like even though Carlos, he's coming from a good place and everything, but the streets will always be there. It's like Uber and Lyft; it'll always be there. Well, there's two
You know,
ways to look at it, right? You can look at it as like you can look at it like a crackhead and like oh, I get myself out and now I got to go back to the drug, or bro, you know what? This is going a little slower. This is moving a little slower, man. I can go ahead and get this money. Carlos, spot on this morning, brother. Spot on this morning, bro. We got a strong ass dollar this morning. Dollar is shooting up. I know there was some numbers, bro. I know there was some numbers. So all I'm gonna say is, bro, get ready. Get ready for the big spy drop. It is 9:30.
correct. So, oh yeah, but hold on. But explain it. When the dollar goes up,
When the dollar goes up, that means people get scared and stocks usually go down.
there we go.
So I am looking at SPY. I got a strong resistance at 408 or a strong support at 408.35. And we are now going to take a look at this
Now,
because let me give me something solid here. Can I get to 205 this morning? Yeah, I can get to 405 if it wants to go. Dude, I'm setting up for 405 on a put. I am
well,
setting up for
let me.
405 on a put. I am going to wait for the first break and see what happens here.
Where is my open? Up here is my open right there. What is
I know
yesterday's?
405 sounds like a stretch.
409.47.
405 sounds like an awesome, awesome stretch, but it's a cheap trade. Cheap trade. 405 is a cheap trade. So I am looking at the charts over here, and as you guys can see here, I got my finger on the trigger. I got my finger on the trigger. And we just gonna see what happens here, bro. I want to see what happens here.
And I like to play where it actually takes off, it pulls back, and then continues.
Well, we got one hell of a drop overnight, bro.
And you said it was oh, by the way, anybody who's interested, I put in the QR code. Webull is free platform. Free platform. Don't put any money in there. This is all paper trading until you get used to it. Once you learn how to use the platform, okay, then maybe you can put in some money and then start trading. But never trade with real money, always paper money. We're starting with paper money first
Yes,
before we use real money, just to be, a good example.
yes,
There are some mistakes that I have made, and that would have cost me big time if it would have been real money. QR code, left hand side, just scan it really quick. All right, and you can just download it.
cost you nothing. All right, everything right now is just kind of flat. I think the pre-market, we're bumping up. Yesterday on SPY, we're bumping up to yesterday's low, which was 409.53. It's hitting up against that there. I want to see what SPY does here. I say it's going to tank. I really think this is going to continue to the downside, but I want
All
to.
right, let me pull up. What do you say? You say you have. Hold on, let me open another chart here. Dixie, no,
Dollar's at 104, man. It's the highest it's been in a while.
new
Oh, by
layout.
the way, for all those anybody who might be watching Uber driver, Lyft driver, I did not work yesterday. I took yesterday off. Normally, I take Wednesdays off because there's a lot going on. Driving's usually pretty slow, so I don't mess around with driving too much. So my totals for the week right now, I'm at 543 for Uber and Lyft on Monday and Tuesday, and trading I am plus 55 for the week. Eddie, where you at there, buddy?
I am at 1,076. I went down from my I think it was 1,100 last, and I actually went down. So
Oh, here we go. I got to set up a different chart here. Hold on. Get that there.
remember, I'm
No.
gonna wait for my green line to cross over my orange line. This is my orange line right here. This is my green line, and but I'm waiting for it a drastic movement in a direction, and then it's gonna pull back and then continue. My red line indicates the direction of the market. I like it right now. Vinny was mentioning something last time where like the red line, the 200 is flat, but you can clearly see that it's going down. So as long as my market is in a downtrend, I'm predicting that it's just gonna keep going down. But we'll see. While it's just on the 4 hour, you got big this big candle to the down, to the bottom.
Carry the stream, buddy. I'll be right back. Show you a chart. Are you on your chart? Okay, I'll be
Yeah,
right back.
I'm on my chart.
By the way, I'm in those five SPY puts, 405. Five of them I'm in at 30 cents.
Vinny's getting in a little early. I don't want to be in a little early. I like my drastic movement. See how it's just going up. 409.45. That is today's open. This is the low. No, what is this? No, 409.45 is yesterday's. Yesterday's low, 49.47. Yesterday's low. So I have yesterday's low support, and now it's going to the downside. Let's see what happens when it goes past. It's open here. It should go really quick. Now we're looking at puts here. These are my puts on the bottom here. Um, 0 days, which is, they're only for the day, and I'm cheap. So it's 59.38, so 38.38, so it's 38 cents. But I'm controlling 100 shares, so it's gonna cost me $38 per option. So I'm gonna put that on my watch list, on my options watch list. So it's gonna cost me $40, and I usually order about 10. But I really need that pullback. Really need that pullback. And I'm gonna buy 3 strikes. This is just in case it goes on the other direction, then I'm prepared. Keep watching. 2 minute break. Gotta go to the bathroom. And we are back. Hold on. Oh my God, I don't even have the chat up. Good morning, Wes. Hey, Wes. You got any little strategies that you use when you do trade the forex? Oh, here's my pullback. Here is my pullback. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Right now, if I was to buy any of those puts right now that I have online, it will cost me about 25 bucks, but I'm waiting for it to bounce. My
Eddie,
lines are
what'd you
really.
do?
What do you mean? What I do?
What'd you do, bro?
I'm
I
still.
was
I'm
I
still
was
here.
I was up there and I come back and I'm upside down. What happened?
Yeah, the pullback.
Oh God. I'm not sweating. These contracts are good. These contracts are gonna print.
See, what I see is 200 all the way up here, 45. Everything's spread out,
Uh-huh.
except I never count my VWAP doing pre-market because it only works when the market's open.
Yes, I agree with Wes here. He says, I just make sure to use higher time frames before analyzing the smaller time frames
Yeah.
to understand overall trend and then use super easy Forex. Wes, we're gonna have to bring you on
Yeah.
the show. one day. I know nothing about forex. So Wes, you let
Can we?
Eddie or I know when yeah, we can bring him in. Shit,
No, I
yeah,
mean,
it's easy to
can
bring
we
him in. Just
trade
send him.
forex on the Weeble?
I don't know. I've never tried. But I know with TradingView I can chart forex. Matter of fact, this because wait a minute. No, let's do it this way. That. There we go. Forex. I can do a forex screener. That's
Hold
why
on,
everybody.
on Weeble?
No. No. On there it is. Australian dollar, US dollar. Well, Wes, I doubt you could see all this. I'd have to bring it over there. But dude, do you use TradingView at all, Wes? Or you just use the your platform? Dude, I just brought up a whole
It's just that it's over. My RSI says it's oversold. But
bro, I just brought up a whole forex thing over there, dude. Whole forex thing over there, dude. Okay, see, now I'm gonna have to look at forex. Wes says no. Just use MT4 Super Easy Forex is an indicator template I set up on my MT4 charts. It marks support and resistance automated for me. Okay, I bought it
oh,
for $300, but you don't need it. Like, is this here? I bought it for 300, but you don't need it. But I like it. Okay. Like I said, my son-in-law, man, he put himself through college trading forex, and not just any college. Shit, $50,000 a year college.
damn! So he traded forex
He traded
to put
forex
himself through
college.
college,
Yeah,
so he can
yep,
get a 9 to 5 job when he could have just traded forex for the rest of his life.
bro. He works for Disney. He's doing okay. Trust me, he's doing all right. But I understand your point there about damn, you did all that just to go to work for somebody. Yo, I hear you,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah. I
And
was like,
I love this new title name. I might have to change my basic trading channel to that new name, bro. From Uber to Wall Street. Actually, that'd be a really good name for my Vinny Cuz channel right now. That title is fire, bro. You did a good job coming up with that. That title is fire.
I got some good friends with knowledge.
That bro, that is a fire. That's going to be a T-shirt today too. Okay, going
I
back to
still
what I
see
was.
that downtrend.
Yep, that's why I'm not panicking.
It's
My contract.
bouncing. It's bouncing right off of the yesterday's low.
What are you looking at? SPY, right?
Yeah, SPY.
Yeah. Yesterday's low, I got it at 409.50. We're bouncing. We keep rejecting right off of it. Tesla's in a range. It's just kind of trading in a range. Today might be one of those days. You take your little base hit and call it a day. Yeah, I know. Carlos, hold on. Let me get to Wes says I also zoom out to see the patterns that they are easy to see on MT4 and use moving averages crosses on my phone if I'm on the road. Yeah, that's what we're doing here, bro. That's exactly what we're doing. If you look at Eddie's chart here, you can see he's using he's got his VWAP in there, his 9 EMA, 200 EMA. He's exactly. And then, if Eddie, if you zoom out on your time frame, go to a 15-minute chart. 15 minute 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 chart. 15 All right,
See, I
now
have
go to a 1 hour chart.
I have a 4 hour.
All right, go to your 4 hour chart. Right, and you can see everything's just bouncing. Everything's just bouncing. So you can
Ooh,
see what's setting up there. Hell yeah, Wes. Bitcoin at 24,000. So last night I was talking when the stream ended. We were talking with Steven, who's big time. If you guys don't know Steven, the Unbroken Driver, he's gonna fire that crypto channel back up. Um, dude, he's heavy. Not so much investing in crypto. He's got investments, but he really understands everything that's going on. He's like a huge informational. He's a walking encyclopedia of crypto information. We're gonna get that channel fired back up too. I'm stacking more now because I had some BTC and BlockFi. Oh,
ooh, that does not look good right now. Now, this is considered to be a, if I go to the day, oh no, it's not a gap fill.
no, we don't. All the
Oh no,
gaps
no,
are.
no. Actually, what if it is a gap fill? And it's just filled right now. So
Where's this gap at? I don't see the gap.
right here where it opened, it opened right down here, and it's working its way up to the yesterday's low, which was 409.47, which it just passed it. Yeah, it filled it.
Oh, because you're looking on the open time frame. Because I didn't see a gap this morning. Yeah, Carlos. A lot of people got punched in the face, bro, with FTX and
Oh, that
all these crypto exchanges falling apart because they have no liquidity because they're full of Hold on a minute. I gotta let the cats out. Who let the cats out?
meow, meow,
Who
meow, meow,
who let the cats out?
meow, 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 meow.
Go ahead, girl. Go ahead. Get your ass outside.
I know he didn't hear that.
Oh, the spy trade's going the wrong way, buddy.
Yes,
Down
it
$25
is.
down $25 this morning. Playing it safe today. Don't trust anything today. Nothing.
It could be going. I have a, QQQ is basically setting up a lot better for me
Is it?
than Spy.
Is it? So, while we're sitting here and we're letting everything go, Eddie, why do you like to trade options versus stocks?
Oh, I have traded stocks before, but I really wanted to stick to very, very slow market. So I found out there's a lot of people out there that trade the SPY for a living. So it's slow, options are cheap, I can choose, you know. Um, and I don't, on my every time I traded with real life with real money on my other accounts, I lost it all like really fast.
Mhm.
So I just need something that's slow moving until I get used to it. Because if I go to a fast moving stock, I'm gonna be doing the same thing, but I'm just gonna be moving faster. You know.
Gotcha, gotcha.
Um, but this is slow enough. Look at how slow it is. I'm talking
Yeah.
about like stocks that like warrior trading. It'll go like 50 cents, a dollar in like seconds.
All
You
right, let's
know.
see what Wes is talking about. Check out the daily time frame or weekly and pull out the fib to see the next level it'll drop to. Ah, see, I like Wes, bro. He uses tools that I use.
What are you talking about? Like right here?
We're gonna pull out the Fibonacci level or the Fibonacci retracement. We're gonna see where we're at, and we're gonna come right off this bottom here on SPY, this last leg up. Okay, because this is a true leg.
Hold on, where are you?
And well, we're gonna look at like Yeah, the next level, if it pops down, will be 406.04 and then 402.48. So let's do this real quick. There was really bad news today as far as the market's concerned, because wholesale inflation rose this morning by 0.7%. That means inflation is doing its job on people, man.
406. The Fibonacci brought me down to. Hold on. You go into the last leg down to the last leg up.
Yes. No, not necessarily the last leg down. The start of the last leg. So if you were are you on the daily? You got to be on the daily for this one, bro. I can't show you because it's on the other screen.
Damn it! Hold on. Let me get rid of this. Okay, I'm going to my daily.
I got a bear flag forming too. Let's see what it does here.
You're thinking about this 374.77?
Shit. I don't know now. I didn't get out of that time frame there, buddy.
This is back on 1222. No. Oh, you're talking about this recent one right here on my
Hold
daily. Hold on. Let me show you my daily. Talking about this one right here.
No, scrunch it up. Shrink the chart up. Down here. Down here at this low right here. Shrink the chart up more. Bring the whole screen into focus. No. Yeah, okay, stop. Go to the bottom of that leg.
Right here.
No.
This one.
No. Keep
This
coming.
one.
Keep coming. Right there. This one right here. You can pull it from there, or you can go to the next leg up. Come up. Come up. Come up. Come up. Come up. Come up a little bit. Keep coming right there. You see that bottom green candle wick? See that bottom
Uh-huh.
candle right there? That
Uh-huh.
was a retracement area. Start from there and pull your fib up.
Okay.
It's starting to run. Tesla's starting to run. If you're telling me the market's going to take this news and run with it, and they're going to absorb it and shoot up, like, no way. No freaking way. No way the market takes a 0.7% increase in wholesale inflation and turns it into a positive day. See, Wes, can you see me, bro? Can you see me, bro? Can you see me, bro? That's all you really need. RSI and fib level with support resistance levels, not thinking too much. Once you figure out entries, then it's all mental. Amen, brother.
See, I don't know that crap there, Wes. Keep
Nah, that's
talking, bro. Keep
bullshit.
typing.
But that's bullshit because we've been talking about this.
It,
Wes, tell him.
it,
Tell
it
him,
don't
Wes.
it don't I don't absorb it like you guys do. It's still not common sense to me. It's not common sense. Leave me alone. It's not common sense to me.
I'm gonna buy him a sponge. We're gonna get you a sponge. Nah, we got you, bro. We'll go over it again today. Once we're done with the live stream.
Look at this.
We'll go over it again.
QQQ. This is what I see. This is what makes okay. QQQ, my lines, green over the orange, okay, and I see upward momentum. It just
In the
went over my
bearish shift.
45. Now I see movement all the way to my 200 with nothing stopping me in between.
Right. But what Wes is suggesting, which is true with the fib retracement, you can remember how we've been talking about supply and demand zones?
Yes,
That's so a fib retracement will also, if it lines up, then you know it's solid. So now these are just tools to determine where
like
you
this one.
think the
Yes,
asset might go.
okay.
Right. That's a big consolidation area. Oh, wait a minute. Go back to that screen. Go back to that screen you were just on. Nope.
This one.
Oh my God. Love you, bro. Scrunch it
one?
up. Scrunch it up. Scrunch it up. Go back to there you go. Keep coming. Keep coming. Okay, stop. You see yesterday? Look at yesterday market open.
Uh-huh.
Right where you got your right. Stop. Don't move. Don't. Okay. If you just look from left to right on that chart, it's showing you where all the supply and demand is.
Correct.
You
Right
see
here.
it
Here.
in
Here.
this right,
Here.
right where it tries to break out, can't break out, comes down, tries to break to the downside, can't break down. Then it
Uh-huh.
finally makes its move. But this is a heavy supply zone right in that area.
Okay. See
So
here. Here.
remember, right? So remember a couple of weeks ago, I said, "Man, it's a choppy day.
Uh-huh.
Should really be trading." That's because if you look at the short time zone versus the long, the bigger time frame, you can see why it's just chop. This is what they call chop. It's just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. There's no real movement. There's no real market direction. These are days you don't trade. These are days you sit and you wait. You might not trade in the morning like we do. You might have to do like Omar does and trade in the afternoon, after noon, 1 o'clock when everybody comes back from lunch. Because now, go back to yesterday on SPY. Go back to yesterday on SPY.
Wait, there's the QQQ. Hold on. This is yesterday on the spine.
Right. So now you see, all right. So go to about midday at the low of midday. Midday. Come back over the other way, the other way, the other way, the other way. Nope. To the right. Right. Keep coming. Keep coming. Back the other way, mofo. Come to
Hold
the
on.
right. Come to the right.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
And keep coming to the right.
Right
Move to
there.
the low. The low. To the bro. You're right. You're American right, not your Puerto Rican right.
Listen.
You're going left.
You're talking
Thank
about
you.
right
Right
here.
there.
Okay.
Yes. What's that time?
This is 12:33.
After lunch, right?
Uh-huh.
And then look from that point forward, look what SPY did.
It just took off.
Right. It gradually moved up. So
Uh-huh.
sometimes you can trade, but if you look in the morning from like bell open to about 11:30, it was just a lot of chop in that zone that we've established, supply and demand zone, from the last 3 or 4 days.
See, guys, so I usually wait for this. I mean, if it's like coming up to the 200, I wait for it to break, come back, and then that's when I make my trade.
Mm. You see what Wes
But
says?
the issue is with this,
That's all chop.
you
Yesterday
know,
morning was nothing but chop. Nothing but chop. Just like this morning's nothing but chop. So Wes says, Eddie, I got addicted literally watching charts all day and night for a long time and applied the
ready?
info I got from YouTube, and finally it all made sense. And that's what's gonna happen with Eddie, bro. Like he's got a solid, simple strategy in his VWAP trading. There is absolutely nothing wrong with VWAP trading. A lot of people make a lot of goddamn good money off VWAP trading, right? A lot of people. And then one day it's just gonna pop. You guys, Eddie, it's your fault, bro. It's your fault. You got West back into trading. He stopped for a while, but it's so fun. It's easy to read the charts. For me, I'm
Yeah.
too greedy.
Don't get
It's
me
all you.
wrong. It's. I think you know why I think it's addicting because us as men, okay, it's the colors. It's kind of like blondes. You know, we're attracted more to blondes than we are to brunette, but it's because of the color of the hair.
No, that's not true.
Yes, it is.
I am not.
Yes, it is.
I am not a fan of blondes.
No, no, but if there is a whole, if there is one blonde in a group of brunettes, the first one you're gonna see is the blonde, but it's because of the hair color.
Nope. Nope.
She's
I
gonna stand
disagree.
out.
I disagree.
That's why
I
yield signs are yellow.
Yeah. See. Here again, Wes. We're here, bruh. We're here. We're
See?
here.
No, no, no. I'm not. It's not what you like or you don't like. It's about what you're gonna see first. If you have a blonde, it's like finding Waldo. Okay, but Waldo has blonde hair. He's gonna
So,
stand out.
so I went into a bar. There were 4 blondes and a brunette and a priest. Which one am I going to see first? Carlos says, I like blondes. He says, what he said? He said he agrees with Eddie. If I go to South America and the blonde stands out.
Yeah. It's kind
bro.
of like it's like the picture of the bikini that we were looking at last time. All right, the girl had a red bikini, and the other one had like a yellow bikini. Well, we saw the
Red.
one with the yellow bikini first.
See, and I said I would have saw the one with the red first.
It's such a liar.
Hey Eddie, I love you, brother. So I go into a bar, four blondes, a priest, and Eddie. Which one do I see first? Oh, yeah, it ain't Eddie. I'm just telling you though, it ain't Eddie. I ain't looking at Eddie. Eh, I might
He
size
sees
his ass up.
he sees the blonde the blonde first, but he goes to the priest for forgiveness after the blonde.
No, bro. I ain't never asked no other man for forgiveness like that. But that's a whole different ball game, bro. I don't I ain't into all that. All right. So
Okay,
Carlos,
I'm gonna play this 10 options 390. Let me see if it works out.
bro, bro. Carlos says he just opened his Weeble account with your QR code, bro.
Oh, nice.
Wes
Hey,
says,
hey. I can change 5'6" a little bit with a little bit of cushion on my sneakers, okay, and or platforms. There's platforms for men. I could be 5'7", 5'8".
okay, Al Pacino. Oh my God. He just Carlos, good for you, bro. Good for you. Good for you. Paper trade. Don't put no money in there.
That's right.
Just,
Paper trade
just
first.
6 months, bro. 6 months of paper trading, applying, learn as much as you can, and then you'll figure out what works for you. Just like Wes. Wes has figured out what works for him. I know what works for me. And it ain't Eddie. Oh!
Come on, Reggie. Come on.
Oh man.
Okay, go ahead. Yep, pull back to that VWAP if you need to. Okay, but as of right now, I'm gonna follow my strat. Now, okay. So now I'm in. So now, my green line crossed over my orange line. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. On my 3 minute, it's doing the same thing. On my 5 minute, it's doing the same thing. So my one, my two, my three, and my five. 15. Oh, 15 is looking really good.
Bro, every chart so I run three chart panels on one for SPY. SPY is the big panel, SPX is a small panel, and ES1 futures, SPY future or S&P futures are the other. And bro, all
I
three of them,
really want to. I
they're
really
stacked.
want to practice with ES.
You need to use the free version of TradingView, dude. If you don't have trading, you know what? I want to put a code up here right now. I'm
Yep.
gonna
Copy
develop it.
paste. Copy paste.
I got to figure out how to do it though. You got
Ju-
to show
Just take your code and then put it on the QR codes here and just paste it and then just write on it on the description. Dang,
Okay,
it's
you
going the
you show
opposite
me how to
direction.
you show me how to do that when we're done here, and then we'll get that up there. So Wes wants to know you doing calls, Eddie? Make sure you zoom out. Look at the larger trend.
Yeah, no. This is a put. I'm not doing calls. I'm doing puts. I see the downward movements. It's bouncing right off of here. I think that's the Yep. Well, it's right around the yesterday's low.
Big ass trend line there, bruh. Big trend line there. Ah, chop, 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 chop. That's okay. We can do chop. I can do chop. Can you do chop? Chop, chop, chop.
Damn it, already. Look at that. I'm down 140 already.
You're down what?
On my puts.
How much are you down?
130? I just, but then I don't want to be in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. I don't want to do that.
No, but like I said, bro, we're in chop. We're strictly in chop this morning. It's all chop. It's all chop. See that? Look at it. Chop. The right chart is the SPY contracts that I'm in. The left chart is SPY in general. It's all chop. Let's go back over here to that. Back over here. Here's your 30 frames. Look, it's just chop. That's exactly where we're at. We're in chop. Here we go. Let's try to get boom. There's chop. We'll set another line up for you. Look at that. This is the 30-minute time frame. We've been in this chop zone for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've been back in at 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Bouncing off this. What is this? This 40. I can't make it out there because the damn thing is in the way. We'll say this is 409 to 414. The last 3 days. I mean, that's a lot of movement to trade. Don't get it twisted. But you see your biggest peaks and your biggest movements are in the pre-market and aftermarket. This is where the big boys play. They play in the pre-market and aftermarket. That's where the real money moves. They set your ass up pre-market and aftermarket so that they can stagnate your ass most of the time. Look at this. This was February 6th, right? SPY just straight across. Look at February 6th here. Zoop. Very little movement.
What's that mean?
Anyway. So this is where we're at right now, my friend. Look at that. Just nothing but chop, dude. Nothing but chop right there. So what I'd like to see, and I'm only doing this because we're on this. I'd like to see it break out of here. Break out of this chop zone right there. To me, that's the chop zone right now. That's what we got to break out of. That's what we're waiting on.
Ooh, so sorry.
The problem is, though, you got to remember the problem is we're trading 0-day contracts.
Mm-hmm. And time eats away.
Time eats it up. That theta ain't no joke.
All right. Okay, I took out my position. I took out my position. I don't want to wait.
Yeah, it might not be a trading day, bro. Might not be a trading day. I'm down $40 on my contracts right now. So what I might do, because we don't know what it's going to do, I might take 3 of these contracts back out at even money. So let's do that. Let's take 3 out at even money. You know what? I'll take them out at 32. So I got one order in to sell 3 of these contracts at 32 cents. You know what? I'd rather win than lose.
See, it's just going to the upside. Okay, look at that. At the 45, at my 45 line, it showed some volume.
Up, up. See, here comes the fake out. Pardon me. See how I tried to break out of this zone here?
Uh-huh.
It flared out of it. So you could technically trade that if you wanted to, the top and bottom of this of your zone. I see you just put one in there. You could technically trade the top and bottom. So once it hits the top of rejection, you got it. You know, there's a probability it's going to come back to the bottom of this channel. Up, it's trying to break out. Are we going to get a tweezer top here? No, it can't be a tweezer top.
Nope, we're already past it. See that? So see, it was consolidating all above my lines right here.
Did we have more news on the economic calendar today? Here, let me check. Was there 10:30 news also? What's today? Thursday, right?
Today's a Thursday.
No, everything was at 8. Everything was
Everything
at
was at 8:30. 8:30.
it was 8:30. All right.
Okay, let's see.
So
Damn, my cough.
let's see what happens at the 200.
Let's see what happens because I'm setting up. Maybe I can write this. Just wait for my pullback. Up, up, up.
So what are you going to do all day today, bro?
You know, I'm gonna go over my trade. I'm gonna do some push-ups. I'm probably gonna go over my trades again. I'm gonna try to see if I can record a video really fast. You know, I need that pullback to the 9 EMA. See this? Because mine, once it breaks, it'll ride the 9 EMA. If it rides the 9 EMA, I'll take it to the 2.
All right.
Come on, Reggie. Come on.
I just bought 5 more of those put contracts. Brought my dollar cost average down. And then I am going to work my way out of here. Turn this negative into a positive. Remember, you don't lose till you sell.
Look at that. It could be bouncing right off the 9. Let me see. Let's see if
Well,
it works.
it got up to the 15-minute chart and it seemed to reject off the 135. So that's what made me say, okay, you know what? I'll take a small gamble here. Let's see what it does here at the 9 EMA. Is it developing a channel or is it I want to close position. I want to sell 5 at 23, which is my target because that's my dollar cost average now.
Nope. I'm on 1 minute. Okay, yeah, everything is coming right back down.
Well, now we just hit the 5-minute chart, the yellow. Come on, give me another push down to the bottom here. Let's make this money so I can go to school, go to work. So I got a client tonight, 7:30, coming into Miami, right? And it's a pretty long stretch back up. It's a nice payday though. It's $100 payday. Um, and it should be a from there. I'm probably going to start my day unless I get out earlier. I don't know. I'm looking at Spy on Webull with y'all. I would hold puts maybe a week or longer to see if it hits down 401. Yeah, I mean, what we're day trading zero expiration, but yes, I hear you with what you're saying there, Wes.
But the 401 level, hold on, let me see the 401 level that he's talking about.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, today would have been a good day just not to trade at all. Not yet. It's
So
too much chop. How the hell is it my fault? Always my damn fault, man. It's just chop. It's just chop. This is not the money.
it'll be funny. I told you before it'd be funny. If I
Uh-huh.
really, if I take $1,000 account and turn it into a $2,000 account in a week, you're gonna be like, you better fucking blame it on me now. Blame it on me,
Oh, Jesus.
okay?
You can always blame me, bro. I got you back. I got everybody's back. That's what I do, right? That's my fault in life. I got everybody's back.
But it sucks not being able to drive. Now I gotta find a way to fill in my time because I'm so used to driving. Usually when I'm not doing anything, boom, I hit the road. But I can work on some of these QR codes.
All right, I need to get out of these. I'm down $90 now. We're gonna wait till 10:30. Let's see what happens. Unless this thing severely breaks to the upside, because I'm in now for two. I've spent $230 today out of my 1055. I don't know, bro, because I'm looking at the Dixie on the 2 minute, bro. It's in an upward trend.
But I see how I still have that alligator mouth that you're talking about on the
Yeah, yeah. Well, not me, not me, not me. But you're gonna have that. All right, now we're hitting that 200. You know what? I could play some to the upside too. I surely can. I could hedge in right here if I wanted to.
Okay. Well, I'm playing to the upside too. I am in 10 contracts, 330
So
value. So this is my second trade for the day.
I don't trust this, but I almost have to. All right, we're up against another support resistance level. It's 410.25.
Ooh, I got 411. 411.18. Oh, 410. I take that back. 410.81. Let me do this.
All right, there we go. All right, so I'm hedged in now.
Okay, 410.81.
Let's see what's going to happen here. I got the next support resistance at 411. We're approaching the 200 on the 1 minute chart, but the Dixie is falling. So let me get these.
I'm gonna sell my 8
I'm
of my
selling.
options.
I'm getting rid of my puts right now.
I'm
I
getting
take
rid
the
of.
loss.
Yep, all I have is 2 options left.
All right, we're going to get rid of these. All right, so I'm down a few bucks for the day right now. Ooh, down a lot for the day right now. Holy shit. Yeah, it's just one of those days I should have known better not to trade. You live and you learn, bro. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if Spy wants to ride. What do I got? 5 of these.
Come on, 9. I'm ready to sell here. I'm ready to sell.
Get a little pullback here. Or it's going to fire through. I'm in 412 calls now. Got 5 contracts.
I'm still up.
Formed a nice channel here on the short term. Forming a nice channel. It finally broke out of this box.
Uh-huh.
Remember we were talking about that? It finally broke out of the box. So I can get rid of that. And now we have a nice little up channel. Trend channel.
Just want to know what I just wanted to. Oh, my 2. Oh, this is my 1 minute. This is my 2 minute.
So now we're in this trend. We're in this trend channel. Let's see what happens if it's going to roll over or not.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna sell my last 2 before I lose it. Sell there, buddy. Sell. There we go. And what's my QQQ doing? You know, QQQ is still uptrending.
Yep. Okay.
It's coming right back down. You know, this is the 1 minute, 2 minute. It's coming right down to the 9 EMA.
Yeah, I'm on the 5 minute. So
Maybe I should start getting used to not trading.
some days you can't trade, man. Some days it's just choppy. Today's one of those days.
Goddamn.
Or a little more patience. You know, I didn't have to jump in early, although I could have jumped in and made money real quick because it did that those 405 puts. I was in at 30. They did get up to 38. That had been a nice little profit. That was 38, so that was over 10%. I could have got in and got out really quick there and took the money.
See how I just hit that 9 EMA right here? Sometimes I feel like doing what I see with one of the guys. It comes down to the 9 EMA, boom, and then he buys.
Adds to his position or is his position?
Yeah, when
Right,
he
we're in
sees
a
the
full
drop,
cycle.
boom, to the 90 MA. He sees the drop to the 90 MA, and that's when he buys. Like he automatically like buys right there.
Gotcha. The hardest part is figuring out your entries. To me, that's the hardest part. When to sell is easy. When to buy is the hard part. I need it to bounce off this 410 back to the upside.
Let me try it. Only with two options. I see. Let me see. 3 minute upward momentum.
Tesla's doing shit today, bro. Tesla's doing nothing. You know what I haven't looked at this morning? I'm almost afraid to go in there.
There we go. And then if I was to buy like right here, okay, so I was let's say I was to buy right here. Boom, I'm in. Two contracts, they're really cheap. They're $30. If the
Okay.
cancel closes under my EMA, then I'll just get out. Small loss.
Hey, I got a question, bro. How come the president hasn't visited Ohio yet?
Maybe because he doesn't want to get cancer.
Yeah, his old fucking ass. Um
Did you?
West
I mean,
Cleans
hey, by the
West
way, did you see the picture is that what was that a real picture that Elon Musk said put up
Bloom?
Palestine, Ohio from
The Bloom?
space? It's a big giant hole in the sky.
Yeah, that's where the what you call it was.
So that camera,
So West is like, puts, hold for a week. He's right. He's not wrong. If you want to tie the money up, he's not wrong.
on the spy.
Yeah, he's not wrong. So let's see. A weekly put would be say next Friday, which would be the 24th.
What the hell does he see?
You know what, Wes? I'm gonna do one for you, bro. I'm gonna tie one up for you. Okay. I'm gonna buy because there's not even a lot in there yet. 401, 403. What are we at right now? 410. All right. I am going to buy here. Bring this up. I want to show Wes. I'm gonna do it for him. I'm gonna buy 3 contracts, 401 puts for next Friday, February 24th. They're a buck 25 a piece. Buy 3 contracts right now. Bam. Okay, you see it, Wes. 3 put contracts 401 for next Friday. Oh, now he says at your own risk though. And it's filled. I'm not touching it. Nah, bro, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. But I do a lot of daily trading. You know, we like doing the daily trades. So, but we're gonna let that ride, bro. We're gonna let that ride. Look at that. You already made me $6, man. Love you, man. Love you, man. Ron from the Rideshare Culture. I hope y'all making y'all's money. Damn, Ron, you done went country on us, bro? Like, what happened there, bro? Nah, we're paper trading today. It's 10:30. We should see a nice little pop up. Might see a pop down. You never know. Ron, I hope you're getting some money, bro. You know, really missing y'all in the garage. I don't know what the hell's going on with everybody, but it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Because we're going to keep moving forward. Wes, at your own risk, though. Well, it's all at your own risk. But you can see I'm in. I'm in the contract 401 for next week. I will not panic sell. It's only like $370, so I'm going to be limited on what I can trade, and what I can't trade. So, but I can't make any more trades today. This is it for me, Eddie, because now I've exhausted my money. The amount of money that I would have had if it was a regular account,
Uh-huh.
a real account, I've exhausted my money by buying those three extra contracts. I was like $370. So I was at what did
Oh
I?
wait, you're talking about on your paper account.
Yeah, on paper account. Yeah, I've exhausted my buying power for today. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So you have advantage you right now. So you have a little more buying power, so you could stay, you can still trade a little bit. Me, look at that. It's still sitting in this trend, this channel. It's basically still in that channel. And hence these contracts are starting to move up. I'm up 13% on these 5 contracts. Let's see what happens.
Oh, look at that. I'm up 30%. It's just it's not going. So
But what am I down for the day? I am down 1055 minus 930. I'm still down $125 on the day.
I'm still up. I still have another 4 position that I can actually play.
Aru, let's see. I really believe you will make some money even if you sell it early in the week, but all analysis. Oh, absolutely, bro. Absolutely. See, I think the market is for whatever reason, the market is fighting the Fed, right? It's fighting the Fed. The Fed has to raise interest rates. It has to. But for whatever reason, whether it's political, and I think it's political, the Fed is doing the bidding of the White House, right? And everything they're doing is wrong. It's just wrong. The Fed should have popped our asses as an economy 6 months ago. If 6 months ago they would have threw the interest rate up over the inflation rate, inflation would be on the way down already. But they keep playing these games, and as long as they keep playing these games, as long as they keep playing the games, our eggs are going to be $10 a dozen. Our gas is going to be $3.50, $4.50 a gallon, right? Interest rates are going to go through the roof. Buddy of mine just bought a truck. You ain't lying about that, bro, Carlos. The Fed is a Ponzi scheme. Buddy of mine, Mr. Ritchie, just bought a new truck last night, right? This guy is well over 800 on his credit score. I know, I've seen it. Okay, well over 800. He still had to pay 5.25 interest on his loan, and that's what it ate on auto loan with an over 800 credit score. Craziness, bro. Craziness. All right, Eddie. I'm liking what I'm seeing here, bro. Liking what I'm seeing. Little step ladder move. Little step ladder move. Let's do this. Are you in anything right now, Ed?
Oh no, I sold, but I'm waiting for it to on the 1 minute is right at the 200. On my 2 minute, it's coming up to that the previous days it's like a resistance
Mm-hmm.
point that I see here. It's like it was 41018, and my other one was
If we can get through this, if we can get through 411, we're gonna probably fire straight through to 412.50.
what I look for is usually that pop to the upside. But it's technically cut. It's writing the 9 EMA.
Exactly. Well, the EMA is going to follow the bar chart all the time, every time.
It comes down to it, and it just keeps holding on.
Yeah, Carlos, they need to. They should have never they need to shut down the printer. But the problem is that they're finagling, right? They're playing. It's like the market's trying to the Fed's trying to give the market and the White House as much room as possible before they have to put the clamps on it and throw us into a recession. It's going to happen. For people like us, just everyday working people, that's got to put out for the gas, got to put out for the groceries.
God damn
You
it.
know, that's the thing that bothers me with the CPI, the inflationary number. They do not include energy or groceries in that number. That's the main two things we got to deal with as working people. You know, I call it kings and peasants. We are all peasants, not in a derogatory sense, but the kings control the chessboard. We're just the pawns, bro. Damn, this is a slow day. Slow day, Eddie. Slow day.
Yes, it is.
I'm up 16% on these contracts, but I'm still down for the day. Pardon me. Where am I down right now? Yeah, I'm still down 115 bucks on the day. All right, breaking through 411. This could be huge for me. This could be huge for me. Still riding the trend. As you can see, still riding that trend. The yellow vertical there is 1030. Actually, no.
There
The
it
hell?
goes. There it goes.
Damn, 1030. We'll see.
Now, see, I don't have a next 41408 is my next
Well, I got a supply. I got 413.49, but the next heavy supply demand zone on a time frame from the volume profile is going to be between 1250 and like 41250, 41290. But this thing is still riding this channel, bro. Look at that. Still riding that channel. You guys can extend this. I don't need to extend this channel to show you.
yeah.
Let me get back to where I had it, which was right there. Still riding that channel up. Still riding that channel. Yep. Carlos is like, yep, gas bill is still through the roof here in LA. I bet, bro. I bet, dude. I bet. Like talking to Steven and some of the other guys on the rideshare garage, when they start talking about how much they gotta pay in California, like, dude, it's ridiculous, bro. Ridiculous.
Just really sucks. By the way, my gas bill's still it's still killing me.
I'm sure, dude. I'm
It is
sure.
just killing me. But I am driving a lot less.
Well, at the end of the day, bro, and that's the whole point to have the videos that we make, right? Even though you're not getting as many rides, you're driving less, which is less fuel. The variable cost of operating as an Uber and Lyft driver is the fuel and the maintenance. Because the maintenance can be anything from an oil change to a
By the way,
tire.
when see, I'm okay. I'm not good with advertising. And you guys were talking about the Chatella, whatever the hell that name is. Okay.
Coachella.
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 You know, it'd be a good video, Vinny. But the way I'm thinking about it is that, okay, I need the money, right? To
Uh-huh.
day trade, expand my business, and all that stuff. So I can make a couple of $1,000. I can make in a week in these events what I could make for the whole entire month,
Yes, that's absolutely.
if I'm correct.
Hold on real quick. Hold on. My
So
future wife just showed up in the Discord. I mean in the chat. Hold on. FBI, open up! My future wife is here. FBI, open up!
so
We missed you
Vicky
last
girl,
night, Key.
yeah, Kiki, she's been missing for a while, man.
I mean, she don't love us no more. She don't love us.
Chiquillos.
She don't love us no more.
Hey, where is our Irish voices?
Patty? Oh, Paul. Yeah, where is Paul?
Where's our Irish sound effects?
Oh, oh my God! Did you hear that? Did you see what? I'm not even going to say that, bro.
No, hold
You
on. I'm not in front of the computer right now.
Oh, Wes, you know me too well, sir. Actually, bro, you know what? I would tell you and oh, look at this. Now they're clowning on me, bro. And you're not even here to see it.
No, no, no. Hold on. What's going on?
They're
All right, let
clowning
me see.
on me, bro. They're clowning on me. They're having their Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse moment again. Wes says Wes says Vin likes his women like his coffee black, right? And then Kiara's like, "Hey Vinny, hey Eddie," and then Wes is like, and then Kiara's like, "Well, Wes, you know, the blacker the berry," clowning on me. Actually, to be honest, since we're gonna be honest and transparent, right? Skin tone, yeah, it means a lot to me, bro. I can't do pasty. I can't do pasty, and I can't do midnight. I just can't. It's that in between, man. That skin tone has always been. Because look where I'm from, bro. So it is what it is. I like what I like, and I ain't ashamed of it. I like that skin tone, man. Skin tone is everything to me. Oh man, that conversation just went off the rails. Eddie, still in the channel, brother. Key, we missed you.
I am still here. I'm still here.
Hey. Carlos says, this already feels like an Uber ride conversation. You ain't lying, bro. You had these conversations all the time. How many times have you had a rider get in your car that's just like going through a really hard day, just having problems, and you crack a joke, and next thing you know, by the time they get out the car, they're feeling all good and fuzzy, and you're like, "Wow, did that conversation just happen?" All the time. Eddie, getting a little
Yeah,
nervous.
for me, I find it satisfying when I pick them up, whatever business, and they fall asleep in the car. That means that my driving skills are very good. The music is just right, okay, and then pass out.
Trying to hold on to this channel. Might be time to bust out of these contracts here in a minute. We're going to know
Yep,
on this
no.
third man. Let me see if I'm going to get a 3-line strike here.
I'm still waiting here. Let me see. You got my first pullback, second pullback. Let's see what happens. Because on the 2 minute, I got the 200 over here at 411 City 7. Ooh, so sorry.
So you see how you got that little pullback there now. It's trying to close below the 9 EMA. Well, it's trying, but it hasn't done it yet.
Hold
But
on,
look
on
at
the
here
which timeline?
on SPY on the 1 minute.
Uh-huh.
But I
Oh, you
got
have the 200 right there.
I got the 200 right there, bro. It's above the 200. But look at your 45 EMA. It's trending up.
Uh-huh.
It's trying to cross over the 15-minute chart line. You're 135. So you see the 45 is trying to cross over to 135. VWAP is trending up. Your 5-minute chart is trending up. Your 15-minute chart is starting to trend up. So this is where you could either snatch the profit. On the screen, I'm at the bottom of this channel that I've been riding out, right? Been riding this channel all the way up. So this is where you have to make a decision, do you want to stay on it?
Well, no, but I'm out, I'm looking to get back in it again one last time.
Kiera, girl, you ain't got to explain nothing to me. I know you got us. You got us all. That's one of the things I respect and admire about you is that you just support everybody you know. You just do. And that is such an awesome feeling because it's coming from the right place. It's coming from your heart. And bro, Jeff killed it on Rideshare Guys last night. Jeff killed it on Rideshare Guys. Right? It was a great interview, and he didn't curse. I don't know how many people didn't say that, but he
Oh,
didn't curse.
sorry.
That had me rolling. He didn't curse last night. And then what did he say? I was in the chat at the beginning. I watched from the clouds until bedtime. It was a great show last night. Big crowd, nice panel. Steven killed it in Arizona. He did. All of them that went to the Super Bowl, made money in AZ, bro. If you didn't make money in AZ last week, you might want to consider driving a milk truck. Look at that. Just riding this channel, bro. Just riding this channel. It's keeping me in the trade. Keeping me in the trade. Up 38% now. Recovering. Now I'm only down 55, 65. I'm only down $66 on the day now.
Well, I'm in 10 contracts at 260, so
10 contracts at what?
260. Well, I'm sorry, 414, but that's how much it cost me.
Gotcha.
Or 220. I'm sorry, 220. It's just now they're worth. Um,
I'm looking at. I'm just opening up the Tesla chart. So Tesla's now approaching pre-market high, which is good. It's good for Tesla. Tesla could break out. Next resistance level I got for Tesla is 226.24. It's currently at 217.
Tesla just took off, man.
Everything, it's like I said, the markets don't make any sense. Like it shouldn't be doing this. Tesla's its own animal. You know what I'm saying? Tesla is its own animal. All right. So, Wes and Kiara, yeah. If you go to a different state to work just for like a week or something, how do you do that? Isn't there like a process? No, not well. Wait a minute. See what Kiara says.
But
For
remember
rides,
Steven went up there, when Steven went up there, um, he was getting a lot of private rides.
yeah, but what Wes is asked. Remember, Kiara does food delivery, so you can go anywhere in the country. Just flip on the delivery apps, DoorDash, Uber Eats. You don't
Uh-huh.
have to do any car changes. You don't have to do any changes. You can just flip up the app and go. But for the ride sharing, if you're going to take people, then you got to clear into the state with Uber. Every time you move states with Uber, you got to change. Lyft, I'm not so sure.
Come on, Reggie. Come on. Where's my 10%?
Just riding this wave, y'all. Riding this wave. Up 48% on these contracts now, Hoss. 48% on these contracts. Instacart, yeah, I can do in any state, not Uber. Right, exactly. Uber ends at your state line. Uber ends at your state line.
Okay, I just sold 7 of my options. I still got 3 left over. So
Yeah, I'm gonna start looking to scale out here in a little bit. I'd like to see it get to 412. I get to 412, I'd be in the money. These contracts would be worth something. I'm being patient.
but it is, I don't know, overextended.
What's overextended?
Just the move itself. It's like really up there.
God damn it. I fucked this channel up. Shit.
Oh, it's not playing in your channel?
Yeah, it's still in the channel. I went to adjust the length. I wanted to extend it out.
No. I'm not talking about this channel. I'm talking about that your regular YouTube channel of Trading 101?
Yeah, I'm still there. Basic Trading 101. Yeah, it's still going. Nobody even knows about the channel. It's only got like 9 subs on that channel. Might be a fake out here. Let's take one of these contracts out right now.
I still got 3. On the 2 minute is right at the 416.67, which is the 200. Like bounce right off of it. 1 minute, there we go. Ooh, if we could just break above that level on the 2 minute. 414.08 is the next one,
Let's go. Let's go.
right? Am I right or am I right?
What's that?
414.08.
I've got it at 413.49.
Oh no, that's yesterday's high.
Yeah. Yep. That's where that's all I'm looking at. What contracts are you in again?
I'm on my 414 calls.
Yeah, this looks like it's going to try to roll here. Let's see what happens on this channel here. I want to see what happens on this channel. Are we going to get a dump into Euro close? But 5-minute chart still trending up. 15-minute chart still trending up. VWAP is kind of flat, but still trying to trend up. The actual 200 is trying to trend up, so it's kind of like hard to dump them. But
I don't know.
time
I
is
just I just
everything.
went to sell my I just went to sell. Come on, sell. Get off my screen. Get off my screen. It's stuck in between on the 1 minute, on the 2 minute. It's stuck in between the EMA and the 200.
Yep.
And it just does not
Trust.
tickle my. It's not tickling my berries right now.
Yep. I like, dude. Like, don't nobody want to know about your berries, bro.
Okay, thank you. We just sold.
I'm in my channel. I'm still in my channel. That takes a lot of worry out.
Let me make sure that
Trust
I,
my
I can
EMAs.
I can do more trades. Oh, my daughter is calling me.
Gotta answer that phone.
Hello. Yes, ma'am. No, mi amor. Remember, my car's broken.
The other day, I was having a conversation with. Did I hear Dingleberry?
Is Mama home?
Kiki, what you know about dingleberries? Come on now. He said it. He said it. Yeah, I guess you could say he's dingleberries. That's funny. That's so funny. I don't have a dingleberry. I don't have a dingleberry.
No, mi amor. I'm really, really,
Do I
really
have a
sorry.
dingleberry?
What you could
I
do
don't
is
have. I don't have a dingleberry.
take the
Kiara, I need you to sit with me, and we got to go through my soundboard. We got to go through my soundboard. We got to add more sounds.
so 390 plus 330. Hold on.
Bro,
Yeah.
we can hear you.
Okay.
We can hear you.
You know what? I'm already looking at buying that bed, so
Bro, we can hear you.
it's right over here. So, and then it's a nice neighborhood, so you can just ride the bike to school if you're late.
Oh boy, hold on. Let me mute him out so he can have his conversation with his daughter. Ah, Kiara. You still in Jersey? You still in Jersey, or what? What's the deal, man? What's the deal? When you coming back to the southern side of things? I know you got to be getting close, right? You got the vehicle all squared away. You got all uh the new accessories locked in. We got to get on a call soon. Well, you got my number. You got my number. It don't change. One of the few and the privilege to have my personal number. But I get it. It could be scary calling me. Okay, till March, mid-March. Okay. So you're gonna do spring break up there then? Well, most of spring break up there. Does spring break affect Uber Eats and DoorDash? Like, is that a hot time for food delivery? Spring break. All right, it's time to get out of these contracts. This is trying to break out of this channel. I'm gonna sell one more here. Oh, that's right. That's right. I forgot you took that remote job. God, I gotta remember that. Forgot you got that remote job. All right, I'm gonna clear out of these contracts. This thing's getting ready to roll. This thing's getting ready to roll down. It's gonna break down below 411, I think. So let's get out of these contracts, and we're out. Down $105. Well, it says 128, but that's because 21 of that is coming from there. So let's see. We were at 9:55 to start the day, or 10:55 minus 9:53. Down 102 today. 102, 105. But we're sitting in these week out put call expirations, so we're good there. Let's see. So Kira's answer was yes, more high schooler, college kid orders, and college kids doing deliveries at home. Yeah, I was gonna say, right? It's got to be a good. I would think it's good, and you don't have to deal with them drunk unless you're delivering at night, right? That'd be about it. Getting a virtual office so I can still do car life. Yeah, Kiara, have you thought about doing a video on your plans for what you got coming up? Did I jump out of these contracts too quick? What if I jumped out too quick? Nah, this is gonna roll back. It's gonna roll down. Every now and then, I'm still in your Discord. Oh man, I might have got faked out on this. I might have to. Oh, I can't make any more trades today. God dang it!
No, I still have all. I did my calculator, and my calculator states I have spent $840 in trades. So I don't know what did I started with, 1,000 something. So I still have one more trade of, let's say, $300.
Well, I'm going back the other way today. I have lost money today.
I'm still
I'm
$92
out of trades.
from my account. And remember, we have to take in consideration the fees for the options.
Not on a paper trading account.
Well, no, but in a real trading account, my $92 account
Dollar
would have
trade.
been more.
Yeah, it's a dollar trade, whatever that might be. So it's a dollar trade or whatever that might be. I saw SPY starting to roll. I got a little nervous here. Even though it didn't break below that trend, my trend channel, right? It never closed underneath that trend line. But I started to see it rolling. And I think I jumped too quick, too out. I took my profit in it. I made profit on those contracts, but I might have got out too quick. See what I see here.
And my QQQ is definitely bouncing right off of that 200 under the 2 minute. Let me see, he's touching it right now.
I definitely got out of these contracts too quick, I think. Yeah, I left some money on the table today.
Why you think it's gonna keep going?
Well, I mean, look at the channel. It never broke below. It broke below, but it never closed below the channel line. And now it's right back up to where it was. So yeah, I left a lot of money on the table here. Kiara says, yes, once I leave Jersey, I'm doing way more videos. Definitely one on the virtual office. Hell yeah. Going to meeting. Take care, guys. I'll text you later to set up a call. All right, sweetheart. Enjoy your day. Good luck on your call. Yeah, I definitely jumped out too quick on this. I just did. I thought I saw it starting to roll. I mean, I still made good profit, but because of my earlier puts, I'm going to lose money. And you can see my 401 puts for next Friday are down $57. So that's kind of skewing my number a little bit, but that's okay because I'm going to get there on the 401.
Oh, I'm taking this. I'm taking this. I am
There,
taking this. I bought 10 ask. 10 calls.
there he is. You asked for him, you got him. Mr. Paul, the commuter branch line. Good morning. Tesla's on the rip today. Actually, Tesla has not reached. There is a rip though back to the upside after the morning opening because it was down. Yeah, it ripped back up. Still hasn't broken pre-market highs, but it is forming a cup and handle.
Come on, come on. Come on, come on. It's just.
So the lesson for me today is that I panic sold before I should have because right here, I'm trying to find it. Really doesn't let me draw circles.
Where?
Well, right here, because right here in that move there, okay, that move right there, I should have waited on it. It never closed below. It's like closing below the EMA. It never closed below. It hugged the line the whole way in the channel and then just kept going. So that's my lesson for today. Basic trading 101.
For me, 2 minute broke the 200. 1 minute shows continuation of my 9 EMA to the upside. My 3 minute is coming up to the 200. That 412.05. I don't know.
Right?
5 minute also shows. Oh, look at that pullback. Okay, and then to the upside. Hold on.
Muter
See that?
says
My 5 minute. Five
right.
minute pull back to my 45, and it looks like it's going to the upside. I just gotta watch out for this 200. My 3 minute pull back, bouncing right off the 9 EMA again. 2 minute bounce right my 9 EMA, and it's above my 200, and on my 1 minute it shows continuation. Let's see if it stays.
Actually, I just did my numbers. I still have $105 in the cash. I still have 105. I still have 105 in free cash. I just added up all my trades, what I've done today. So I could, if I want to. No, this is the one I want. No, not the put. You banana head.
Yeah, commuter. Hey, I'm telling you, man. When I'm telling you, we gotta find. I gotta find my way out of ride sharing, and a lot of people are gonna say the same thing. It is because of what's going on. What's going on?
I mean, what are people going to do when their jobs start going away?
Yeah.
I mean, we know as drivers, right? DoorDash food, Oh, okay. Hey, big shout out to Paul's daughter, Erin. She is riding with Daddy today while they're out getting the tire fixed.
Ah, very nice. Very nice.
Erin, hey, we like your daddy. Your daddy's good people. Your daddy is good people. He's a strong, him and Wes are strong supporters of the channel. And he's always funny. He's always got something funny to say. That's the awesome part. Eddie. Eddie,
Yeah.
Eddie, 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 Eddie. And you're right. You're right. He says he's been watching our trading videos. Yeah, we're trying, dude. You know, Eddie came up with a hell of a title today. From Uber to Wall Street. From Uber to Wall Street. That right there is a mindset. Richie Berger. Richie's in the house. Good morning, Richie.
Good morning, Richie.
Richie. That is a hell of a mindset, bro. From Uber to Wall Street. A journey of two drivers escaping from rideshare. You got that part right.
You know, we'll see it in our views, you know. Ah, it's curling to the downside. Damn it.
Yeah, we're getting a little dump now.
It's curling to the downside. Now I'm right back down to my 150 loss that I had for today.
What did I say I had? I had what, 105 still left? Still had 105.
It's moving too fast. I'm gonna take my
Let's see what
loss
it
here.
does at, let's see what it does at 411. Let's see if it breaks out at 411. Breaks below 411.
Let's get out. Let's get out. Let's get out. This could be the curl to the downside. Hold on. So let me do my calculator.
Your what later?
My calculator.
All right. So while you do
Okay.
that, I'm going to pull a fib retracement on this real quick.
So I have 840. $290. Ah, I can't trade no more. Can't trade no more.
Yeah, you can. What are you talking about? All right, I'm going to see on this retracement if it breaks below the 50% retracement, which it looks like it wants to do. Might be able to catch this going back the other way. I'm looking at the 409 contracts. Unless the 410 comes to me. What's 105? 105 is what? 50, 52 and a half. So it would have to get to 52 cents. Let's see what happens here. Bro,
Hold on. What are you looking at? You're looking at the SPY still?
Yeah. Yep. Right now I'm looking at 409 and 410 puts.
See, I
I'm
thought
not in anything. I'm gauging because technically right now we got a head and shoulders forming at the at what number is this? At the 410.96 level. We got a head and shoulders popping up here. Broke out of the channel. We can get rid of the channel. The channel's done. But now, here's a shoulder. Here's a head. And now let's see what it does because we have this right here.
See what Vinny is saying. He's talking about this.
So we got a shoulder right here. We got a head right here. Let's see what this next one does. Shoulder, a head, and let's see what happens. These 409s are already coming up. I'm taking two 409 contracts, two 409 puts. See if I clear in. Let's see if I catch him. There it is. I'm in them. Okay, I got him. In at 42 cents here. Today's high on this 409 contract was 193. So we're looking to see if we can get these to 67. 5-minute deal here. Setting up my possible sell points. These are my references. That's all. These are references. Let's see what happens. Okie doke. See, and I said I wasn't going to buy until it broke the 50% retracement, which it did. It's breaking below this fib retracement area. So let's see what happens. Wes should like that. Bro, Patty, every time, bro, we got you. We got you, bro. And Wes, we're going to find out. Like I said, so here's a guy that I follow every other day. He puts out a video on YouTube. You might want to check him out. He's called the Maverick of Wall Street. You want to talk about a brutally honest former Wall Street guy. He's like Sergio from the Rideshare guy, except that, this guy, Maverick, he puts out, he's on Twitter. People should really pay attention to what he does. His videos tend to be about 35, 45 minutes long. But topic of the day, charts, he covers the Qs, the spies, commodities. He covers everything, and he does it for us. And I agree with him. He shows you the facts. He doesn't show you the fluff like a CNBC or somebody or Fox Business. There's no fluff with him. He's straight up raw about it.
The Maverick. Hold on. I had Matt Diamond. No.
Matt Diamond's good too. If you want to learn quick scalping, how to scalp, he only scalps Tesla and Nvidia, mostly Tesla. But yeah, bro, you check him out. I would definitely check Matt Diamond out.
But I think I have the Maverick in here.
The Maverick of Wall Street. Last night, I watched it after we got off the live stream. I fell asleep to it last night.
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
This is him, right?
Yeah, the Maverick. Bro, dude is phenomenal. All right, I'm waiting to see if this is going to roll, if we're going to get another Head and Shoulders in here somewhere like this. So I'm waiting to see. I'm going to let it play out. We're going to let this Head and Shoulders play out.
Oh, doodly-do. Yeah, you know what? It's just, see what I mean? This is the issue that I need to get used to, which is, hold on, where's my screen? There it is. It's just waiting for a big movement. Okay, and I did again, and I said last time I was gonna do it. Wait for my pullback, do my trade, and hold on as long as it doesn't close. The candles don't close under my 9 EMA. See, never closed, never closed, never closed. Here, candle never closed on the 2 minute.
Perfect, dude. Remember I told you I got a client coming in today? He comes in at 7:30. I just got a sketty ride at 3:30. I got to pick up at 3:30 out of Weston to Miami International.
Nice.
So that's going to put me down there about 4:30. Client comes in at 7:30. That gives me 3 hours in there. All right, we got it. We'll do this.
So you got your right there.
All right, there.
And you right back.
Yeah. Picking up Claudia. It's a cheap ride.
God damn it. I don't mean to cough on you guys. I don't want to get you sick. There was this uh there was this radio station that I used to listen in New York, and the guy goes that they're gonna blow air to the wires to not be on the phones because they were gonna dust the wires, the phone lines. And
Okay.
then yeah, they wanted to see what people would do. And would you believe it that people, you know, um were not listening to the radio station at exactly that time?
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting. Um, you know what, dude? Could be a bull flag here. Could be a bull flag for me. We've been in an uptrend. We've been in an uptrend. Let's see what happens. Oh,
Yeah, you're talking about where I got it marked, right?
let me see. So if you bring, so you actually have a support level here.
I'm just
You
trying to
actually
mark
have, no, get that out of there.
like
Not
this
that.
one.
Get that out of, no, get that out of there. Get that out of there. Take your horizontal and bring it to the bottom. You got 1, 2, 3 touches here. Bring it down, down, down,
Hold
down, down.
on. Right here, right?
Yeah. Put that line in there. Drop a line in there. No, not that one. Get rid of that. Just a regular horizontal line, not a trend line. Yes. Okay.
What about here,
Take it
here?
right. And now look from the high of day. Now you pull a trend line straight down to this line. You're going to see a bull flag because we're in an uptrend. Last time it did this, it went the opposite way. So no, this is what you should be seeing. Look at my left chart.
Uh-huh.
Got a downtrend. You got support across here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you got a support line there. And then you got from the high of day down, you had a trend line. And because this was because we were in an uptrend today, you
And
see
on
it?
my
That looks a little clearer. That
uh-huh.
looks a little better. Your flagpole. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what it does. I'm going to break this down to the 2-minute chart so it's easier for people to see. See what happens. But the head and shoulders is still in play too. Possible head and shoulders. One, two, three.
Let's see where it goes on the 2 minute. That's right above the 411.70 resistance that I have from
Ugh.
what is this?
All right,
Oh
we got
yeah.
about another 10 minutes and then I'm gonna bug out. I got things I gotta get done. Especially now I got this right at 3:30.
Not unless I use bar chart. Hold on, let me use bar chart. But I'm definitely over trading.
Well, sometimes sometimes you get flags thrown up in front of you. Right now, there might be a reason why you're supposed to be here right now. Why you're having issues with the vehicle? You might supposed to be. You might. He might want you here right now to figure things out, or he could be saving you for an accident. It's all kinds of things, bro. I try to find the positive lining. You know, there's a
But
reason why this is happening.
yeah, well, you know, it's just that it's just not having something. So now I'm trying to fill in my time.
Right, right,
Like
right,
they
right,
said, they will call when they open, but it's 10:22. They haven't called yet.
right.
So
Randy, go ahead.
oh, what's Randy saying?
No, no, no. Go ahead. Finish your statement.
No, but they open at 9, but they haven't called me yet. So they have not called me yet.
Randy Lee. Yeah, I have a scheduled ride. For Lyft. Sketty just threw me a ride, and so yeah, we're gonna take that ride, and and then I've got a client coming in today. I have a client at 7:30 tonight. This ride's gonna put me down there about 4:30. So there's a 3-hour window in there. So I can attempt to work down there, go sit in the queue at Miami International, try to get a ride out of there. I could go to downtown Miami. Hey, look at Spy, bro.
Yeah, I'm watching it. I am watching it.
Definitely broke below. Now let's see if it's going to continue. And then yeah, so I got to fill in that 3-hour time. I could sit there and I got a video I'm going to make that I need to make today, so I could use that 3 hours to make the video and then come home, chop it up, and get it all done.
I might do that. That what's it called? Keenmaster video.
That's what
But
I'm saying, bro. You got time to do stuff today.
I can't do anything with the Keenmaster video because
Why can't you do something with it?
well, I need to charge my battery on my camera.
Okay.
So damn it, I gotta go to each different time zone to get rid of these damn lines.
Uh,
There we
Randy's
go.
like, do you think if I went to Coachella, can I make great money without private rides? I have no idea, bro. I've never worked Coachella. Remember, I'm on the East Coast. Um, we don't have anything like Coachella. Well, you know what? I shouldn't say that because we do. We have Tortuga. And Tortuga, there have been some years where I've had private clients, but usually I'm hired out for the 3 days. So I'm sitting there on call. Even if I wanted to do Uber and Lyft, I can't because I have to be ready to go when these folks are ready to go, when they got movement. Um, so I don't know, bro. I really don't know. Uh, Listening to Sergio talk with Steven last night on the live stream and then afterwards, it almost seems like, the private sector is the more way to go. I don't know.
But
Uh,
like Jeff did, Steven did, you gotta go.
well, that's right. So what I would do, Randy, is I would get with Steven and see what he's planning to do and how he's planning to do it. And you might be able to figure something out because I know they got a plan. I just don't want to say it on the air. I don't want it on the interwebs. I don't want to put them guys in a situation. I'll be right back. All right, Eddie, what are we doing here? What are we doing? We got another downward channel forming.
I don't know. I don't know. I'm still $242 down on my account. Looking at
You're down
everything right here.
242?
Yep.
How the hell, bro?
Yeah. Yeah. 242 on my account. In and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. I don't like in and outs. It's all your fault. So what happens is, see, I didn't play my rule. My rule is once it crosses, um,
Uh-huh.
I buy my options and just
Uh-huh.
let it keep bouncing off the 9 EMA. Let it bouncing off the 9 EMA. Keep going. Kind of like what we talked last time. If it crosses over down under the 45, then that's my exit strategy. You know, um, but no, I didn't play it that way. So maybe I should just buy
No, play your strategy.
less.
Well, like I said, you do kind of, like I say, you could. So there's a starter position, and you can always add to your winners. The biggest mistake, and I did it this morning, was I added to a loser instead of just cutting the loser loose. So I wound up losing a little more money. You can always add to your winners on the way up. Just never add to your losers unless there's some seriously concrete evidence that it's going to turn, the trend is going
See?
to turn in your favor of your
And then
play.
it just kept going up. It just kept going up and up and up. If I would have played this one, I would have been now right here. This candle right here would have probably got me out.
Hold on, because I can't see what you're talking about.
Oh wait.
What's that? Go ahead. We got your screen
So
up.
if I would have made it out over here, I would have done the I would have held on, probably would have held on to the pullback because the candle didn't the whole entire candle didn't close under the 9 EMA. And then
Right.
right here, I would have took my profits right there on this candle the moment this candle closed under it.
Okay.
Okay, give me 2 minutes.
Well, I'm going to give you I'm going to give you 2 minutes, and then I got to go. Pushing up in the euro close. 11:30 is euro close. This could be a push up in the close, and then see if we collapse. This big movement is on euro close right now. Hold on, you can't see it because Eddie's not here. So we got a good big candle starting right there. 11:30 is the European markets are closing. Maybe we'll push to 11:45 today. This is way too much time out here. But as you can see, perfect bear flag. Bull flag. There it is. There's the bull flag. There's your pole right here. Came all the way up, formed a bull flag right here. You see the flag. And now it wants to break to the upside because it wants to continue with the trend. Let's see what happens. We're going to get a tweezer top here. See what happens. Nope, will not be a tweezer top. 3 candle strike. We're going to make a run back up to high a day. There it is. There she goes.
Oh, she's taking back off.
See that bear? Remember that bull flag I told you about?
Yeah.
There it is.
In the 1 minute, it's under the 2 RC, but just predicting this stuff is such a pain.
It was a perfect setup for a bull flag. Perfect setup, bro.
But
Perfect.
I don't play the full bull flag. It's not my strategy. My strategy is
Well, if you go out to the 5-minute chart, go to your 5-minute chart. So you could have caught that move to the upside and then see what it does from here.
See that? But then, see, I'm looking. See, technically, uh, see 5 minutes, but I will hold on for like 5 minutes.
Now remember, we just had euro close. So that could have been a push into euro close.
So,
Now the American market is operating on its own.
see, there's just everything just crossed to the upside. Maybe I should just play it like West. Was it West? Play a higher time frame.
Yes, of course. You always got to look at higher time frames, no matter what. I'm
Play,
constantly
play,
looking at it.
play a higher time frame. See, so I'm looking at my strategy, which is, when my green crosses my orange, but it doesn't do it. See, like these, when it's doing this, everything is so close together. I should just leave it alone. Just don't bother. This is what I look for. This when it crosses
Separation.
over. But this is later on in the day. See, for me, this doesn't work out.
Okay, well, don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. On the 1 minute time frame right now, your SPY, you could be good in SPY for a call since this morning if you wanted to. You could have been in
Yeah.
call all morning because you could have got in at the 10:20 mark, 10:21 mark is where the 5 minute chart crossed the VWAP. Your green line was absolutely humping at that point.
Yeah. But the
And
thing is, my
uh-huh.
green line never crossed over. It's it always stayed above, on
Mhm.
the on my 5 minute.
Yeah, that's like riding the channel. It's like riding the channel. That whole leg up right there that you're looking at from
Uh-huh.
low of day, right, all the way up to consolidation point, that's a channel. You could have rode that channel all the way up, and you could still be sitting in those contracts because it never curled and came back to your VWAP.
That's right.
You
Never,
still have
well,
that
never,
big gap.
never curled down and closed under my
Your 9 EMA.
my 9 EMA.
Yeah. That's your strategy, Eddie. That's what you said you want to do. So you stick to your rules. That's why paper trading is so important because you have to treat it as if it was real money. Take it personal. Take a loss personal. Go back, look at it, see what caused you to think that, and then you learn from it.
Okay, there we go. Now I'm connected. Okay, listen, you're gonna have to do that speech again.
Oh my god. Stick to your rules. Stick to your basic rules.
Who was it?
Always.
West, right? West was it, or was it Commerce? No, no, West. Was it West? Yep, West. I might play my higher time, but I just gotta buy it and just leave it alone. Like get in it and leave it alone. But eh,
Morning, Steven.
Mr. Stevens. Hey, Steven, we got some people asking some questions here about
Yeah, Randy wants to get with you.
overstate profit making. Let me see. I'm not listen, I'm not overthinking it. I'm not overthinking it.
Yes, you are. Oh, and guess what just happened, bro? Guess what just happened, bro?
It just broke to the downside.
No, watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Here, look at this. You ready?
Oh, play the channel. Play the channel.
One. Stop, dude. What the hell? Two. 3. What do we got here now?
Right, your head and shoulders.
That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. Let's see if it breaks below this 411. So you got the bull flag. It fired off. You could have played that. And now it looks like we're getting ready to head into might be heading into a head and shoulders here. We don't know yet. Got to watch it play out.
God damn it. You know, he says don't overthink it. I'm over fucking thinking it.
Uh, 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 uh.
I'm overthinking it. I'm just looking at it.
Oh my God. Hey, look what Steven said.
Steven. So I keep calling Steven Jeff.
Hey, Wes says, yes, you are, Eddie. Yes, you are. You're overthinking.
Yeah. Yeah. It's just, you know, I want to see it. I want to see it. You know, yesterday we got off at about 1 o'clock in the morning, my time.
Mm-hmm.
I went back to my charts.
Right.
I went back to my charts and I was like, you know what? Let me just see
Oh,
this,
okay. You don't want to
ride
see.
it, ride the 90 minute.
So what would they like to know? Randy Lee was asking questions about Coachella. I told him to reach out to you because he heard you and Sergio with your conversation last night. So to try to figure out like advertising, private clients, and yada yada yada, that kind of thing. So I figured he needs to reach out to you and talk to you in the to figure out a game plan. Eddie, you're too focused on the lower time frames. Yeah, he is right now, but we're going to get him there, Wes. You and me, we're going to get him there. And then Sergio come in and yell at all of us, but that's okay. We love Sergio.
Like, what are you doing, guys? What are you doing?
Yes.
So it's just gonna
He's
be like,
right.
why do you got so many lines on your chart?
You have to plan out a trade off higher time frames, support resistance, yada yada, and then look for the best setup. And then, like he says here, and then make your entries off your lower time frames. Bro. Steven says he likes the green theme. I like green, bro. Well, my favorite color of green is a forest green. I don't know if you guys have ever seen forest green. Forest green is the shit. It's such a beautiful color, such a calming color. But I know some of y'all live in the desert, so y'all don't get to see much green. I get it. I ain't mad at you.
There's no desert here in Austin. I don't know what you're talking about.
Y'all still here? How'd your meeting go? Hopefully your meeting was good. Wes. Kiera says nice photo. Oh, Wes got a picture up. Look at him. Looking good over there, brother. No homo.
Zoom it up.
Put that in there. From the people planning on going, he said the most important thing is to build a client list before getting there. Yeah, I'm sure he's not, but he's not aware of how to do that. So you guys can collaborate on that and figure out a game plan. Oh, Spy's gonna mess around here till noon. Dude, I don't want to be on here at noon. All right, 12 o'clock, and that's it. I'm signing off at 12 o'clock. Way too long on here today.
Ooh. All right, let's go. Let's cut it short. I mean, it's not short. It's just we've been on it for too long. I got no work. That's why. Well, I got more things I could do.
Huh?
No, because I don't have my car, so I gotta sit here and I have to come up with other things to fill my free time. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna call this company too, see what the hell they're doing.
You need to figure out what they're doing, bro. Okay. Kiara's meeting. Let's see. Meeting was great. The guy I just met with is an ex NFL player with a son on the Yankees. How freaking cool. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. All right.
Didn't you send me a message? Yo, at
Bro, I
8:10
sent that
a.m.
message to you. Do you see what time I sent you that message?
Yes, at 8:10 a.m.
And you just not getting it?
Yeah,
Believe this shit? You believe this shit? I
8:10
sent him a
a.m.
message. I sent him a message. Oh, do you see that, Kiki? Gang's all here. Gang, gang. Yeah, Spy is in a huge consolidation now. So let me draw that out. All right, we're in another consolidation channel here again. We had the leg up, and now we're in consolidation again, which lines up perfectly with my volume profile. No, I'm not doing this all day today.
Let me see here.
Switches over to a smaller, larger time
Yeah,
frame. See my 5 minute
I
time
would
frame.
technically be in much air. All right. All right. Tomorrow is
Friday.
Friday. Tomorrow
Bro,
is
I don't make no promises for tomorrow.
Friday. Oh, I just need to make sure that I take my live trading my trading money out and start depositing it, have it all ready to go.
Well, you can do that. Takes about a week to clear in, 3 to 4 days to clear into Webull. You can trade it immediately on stocks, but on options, it's like 3 to 4 days. But bro, you still got time. Still got a
Oh,
whole
I know.
month.
Yeah, I know. I know.
I mean, a whole month. Got 2 weeks.
It's just that now that I'm used to Webull, I'm gonna have to stick with it, Webull, and then sooner or later move on into something else.
Forex.
Well, yeah, but I don't think Webull does it, so I have to go and learn how to use my TD Ameritrade account. Or what I could do is learn how to trade this, learn how to use this, double the money, hopefully. That's the idea. Okay, and take that 1,000 and put it on my other account.
Amazing.
Steven.
All right.
All right,
Well,
that's it. So let's cut it. All right. See you guys.
oh, hold on a minute. Hold on. Kira says, I made a Shopify for the ebook. Just need to set up PayPal and spruce it up a bit, and it's ready to launch. There you go. Waiting on her ebook, man. I know it takes time. All
All
right,
right,
now
see
we
you
can
guys.
call it.
See you there, Ron.
All right, y'all. We'll talk with y'all later.
Hold on, wasn't Ron in here?
Who?
Ron?
Ron hadn't been in here in like 2 hours, 3 hours.
I thought he was in here too. All right, hey Steven. Steven, you're gonna have to teach us how what
Teach,
besides what places
teach,
you advertise in for this Coachella thing.
teach me how to
So,
Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie.
all right.
Teach me. Dougie.
Hobie peace.
All right, y'all.
It's
Be
trading
easy.
tomorrow.
We'll see you tomorrow morning. Peace out. Thank you.